In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code for C#. This guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to set up your environment and utilize Claude Code within your C# projects. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once it is open, you will create a new C# console application. To do this, type mkdir my sharp app and press enter. This command creates a new directory for your project. Next, navigate into the newly created directory by entering cd my sharp app and pressing enter. After that, generate a new console application by typing .NET new console and hitting enter. This command initializes a new C# console project in your current directory. If you encounter an error indicating that .NET is not recognized, you will need to install the .NET SDK. Visit the official .NET website to download and install the correct version for your operating system. Once the installation is complete, you can return to PowerShell and repeat the previous steps. Next, you should verify that .NET is installed correctly. In PowerShell, type .NET-version and press enter. If the version number appears, this confirms that the installation was successful and you can proceed to the next step. Now, check if Claude Code is installed by typing Claude-version in PowerShell and pressing enter. If a version number is displayed, this indicates that Claude Code is ready for use. If not, you will need to install Claude Code before continuing. For first-time users, logging into Claude Code is necessary. Type Claude login in the PowerShell window and press enter. This action will open a web browser where you can complete the login process. After successfully logging in, you can return to PowerShell. To start using Claude Code within your C# project, ensure you are still in your project folder. Type Claude and press enter. At this point, Claude Code will have access to your .css files, CC's project files, and the entire solution. You can now input specific instructions for Claude Code to execute. You can begin giving commands such as convert this console app into a web API, add dependency injection, or refactor this into clean architecture. Additionally, you may ask Claude Code to help troubleshoot issues like fix this null reference exception. Claude will assist you in making the necessary changes to your code. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.